I'm Juliet.
And I'm Delilah.
And today we're going to make some amazing sushi, but it's not like your normal sushi, it's with sweets and cereal.
Juliet?
Yes?
What did the Hungry Sushi say?
I don't know.
No more Mr. Rice Guy.
So we've made our sushi base with some puffed rice and some marshmallow and some butter.
And we melted some chocolate.
We have melted some chocolate, but that's the bit where you're supposed to say, but if you don't want to make it, you can get it from the shop.
Hang on a minute, you can just buy some from the shop.
Can you?
Yes.
Show me. Oh yes, you can buy it. So you can buy it in the shop if you don't want to make it, but it's really easy to make, so you can do what you like, really, can't you? Shall I show you how to do it, and we can do it together? So I'm just going to take it out of my tray. I'm going to turn it over. So we're going to make some little round ones and some kind of like little bar ones. So this cutter's really good because you can just cut out the circles. So we can just go like this and just use it like a cookie cutter and just give it a twist and then cut them out like that. So look at that. Then you can push it out with your fingers.
Come on.
Should we do 3 of each kind? And then we're also going to do some of the bar ones. You can just get a knife and cut some little bars. And then what we need to do is just use our fingers and just kind of shape them off at the end. Because when you go to sushi restaurants and stuff, you have the little sort of pieces of rice like this, and then you've got the fish on the top. So we're just kind of shaping it now, kind of pinching it into a long sort of diamondy shape. A lot of the time they're all wrapped in seaweed, aren't they? So I'm not really a fan of seaweed, so I think we're going to use these cola belts and we're going to wrap them around the circle so they look like seaweed. So I just go around the circle like that. And I know that I need about that much, so I'm just going to cut them down, snip. To stick them together, I've just got some chocolate here that I've melted, and I'm going to put a little bit of a dot of chocolate there, squash it on all the way around, and then I'm going to put a little bit more chocolate on that bit, just like that, and then close it down like that. So just put it on the edge, that's it. Bump. There's another one. So that's that. So we need to let them set for about half an hour because we want the chocolate to go hard so they don't keep bursting open. So we've made, oh, here we go, look, this one's being naughty. So they're all set. So let's cover these ones now, shall we? So we're going to use some of this sugar paste, and we've coloured one to be like tuna and one with a little bit of orange to be like salmon. Which one do you want to do?
This one.
So we don't need too much because we're only going to do 3 each. We probably only need about this much. So we're going to give it a squash, aren't we? Make it go nice and warm and pliable because we're going to roll it out. So that feels quite good to me. Is yours good?
Yeah.
What do we always have when we're rolling out sugar paste? Icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
Get your piece, and then we're going to have a little bit of icing sugar on top of our piece. Roll it out into kind of a thick shape. About that big. So can you roll out yours in the same way?
Sticky.
So we just need to sort of lay it on the top. So I'm just going to kind of cut a rough sort of strip and press it on, just like it's a real bit of fish lying down over the rice. And then to make it look really realistic, you know how when you've got the fish, you've got the lines in it? And I'm just going to go like that, the back of the knife. You can put that on top of that one. Just use the back of the knife and hold it carefully at the back and mind your fingers, just, that's it. They look quite good already, don't they, those tunas? I've got some white food colouring dust. Have you seen this before?
No.
So we're just going to add this sugar syrup to the dust to make a paint. I've got a really small brush, and if we just make it into a little bit of a paint, you know where we made the knife lines? We can just go biff across the lines, and with the salmon, it just makes it look a lot more realistic, like a real bit of salmon with the white going through. Do you want to do the other ones?
Yeah.
That's it. Lovely. So they're ready. So now we can go back to our round ones that we've just left over here to set. Now this is really fun. So you get lots of different types of sushi. So we're going to do some that have got like a caviar on top. Do you know what the caviar is? The fish eggs.
Yeah.
I think I'd rather eat the sweet one, wouldn't you? Do you like real sushi?
No.
Okay, then we'll stick with these. So we've got these, which we're going to put inside our sushi treats, kind of like bits of cucumber and bits of fish. So the way to do this is we need to make some holes in our cereal treats. So I've got a chopstick. So if we just go and make a little hole in here, just use a pair of scissors again, and we can cut some sort of little pieces. And we can do it of the green as well. Oh, Wow, you've eaten my sushi. Okay, so they're ready to go. So what we're going to do, we're just going to poke those in. So we do 2 like that.
Yeah. And
And then you put a red one there by the green. And then another one there. You put those in there and I'll make another hole. They look good, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks brilliant. So they're the ones with the cucumber in. I've got some mini sweets, you know, the really tiny ones. You can get the orange ones. And we're going to mix it with a little bit of apricot jam so it looks like that sticky, shiny caviar. And if you can give that a nice mix, get a teaspoon like that, and then just plop them on just to make a kind of pile on the top. Can you do the other 2? So we just need one more thing, I think, just to finish off our sushi. So we've got some soy sauce, but it's not your normal soy sauce because this isn't fish, is it? We've made some syrup with some really dark brown sugar and a little bit of water, and we've boiled it together. So now we've got something that looks exactly like soy sauce, but it's not going to taste like soy sauce. It's going to be nice and sweet. So I've got a pastry brush. I'm just going to brush it over like that. Look at that. So it looks like real soy sauce. How cool is that? That's it. Do you want to do the same on the salmon? What do you think, Delilah?
No.
Pardon?
No.
No? Or nice? I thought you weren't impressed. They're good, aren't they? But these would be really fun for a party, wouldn't they, I think? Yeah, look at that. Brilliant. Well done. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Hope you all enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching, and for more videos check out the BBC Good Food YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Should we try them? Yeah. Yummy. Yum.